Yo, it's Lux and welcome to this tutorial in which I'm going to show you how to rent a Minecraft Bedrock Edition server. First of all, you'll need to create an account. Enter your email and new password here and press the sign up button. After that, you'll need to activate your account. Go into your email inbox and you should see an email from us asking to confirm and activate your account. Click the green button and that should activate your account. Now that you've done that, log in into your account and from here you'll be able to create your own server. We have 3 server plans, Free, Premium and Pro, with Pro having the most features and options available, such as allowing your servers to be hosted in more countries. If you're unsure of what plan to go for, contact our support team and we'll be happy to help you. On the pricing page, you will see all the general features which are available for each plan, as well as specific features for different games. Now let's create the Minecraft Bedrock Edition server. First select a plan. I'll choose the free one right here. Then select the country you want it to be hosted in. Select a country that is closest to you or your player base. Then select the game. In this case I want Minecraft Bedrock Edition, and now you can choose the type of server. We have many different types, such as the Pocket Mine one, which will allow you to install plugins. I'll just create the normal one. Select what version you want and create your hostname. You can use the hostname to connect to your server, along with the IP address, which will be provided later. Hit create and we're nearly done. Claim your free server just like that and we're ready to go. Now all that's left to do is to join your Minecraft server. The name can be anything you want and the IP address can be either your IP or the hostname. Make sure you don't forget the port number. There we go, I've connected to the server. It's as easy as that. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any tutorial suggestions, leave them down in the comments below. And if you're having issues or have any questions, contact our support team. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.